Good morning, my senior KG kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am Nancy ma'am, and today we will be learning about numeracy. In numeracy, we shall cover two topics, that is shapes, cube and pyramid. Number names 9 and 10. Kids, in your previous session, you all had learned two-dimensional shapes. Do you all remember which shapes were those? Okay, let's revise these shapes once again. Pentagon, hexagon and octagon. Let's check out about pentagon. How many sides and corners does pentagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sides and corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. For example, a football. Kids, have you seen a football? The black shaded part on the football holds a pentagon shape. Which shape? Pentagon shape. Next we have hexagon shape. How many sides and corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexagon has 6 corners and 6 sides. For example, pencil. Kids, have you observed a pencil from behind? The back side of the pencil holds a hexagon shape. Which shape? Hexagon shape. Can you see this? Next we have octagon shape. How many sides and corners does an octagon have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. Let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides and 8 corners. For example, clock. Children, can you see this wall clock? The outer portion of the clock holds a octagon shape. So children, today we will be learning about two new shapes. First we will talk about a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional shape. It is a solid shape. It is different from a two-dimensional shape. A cube has 6 faces and 8 vertices, which is also known as corners. Kids, let's check out this box to see if it's a cube. This box holds flat surface, just a shape like a square, which are known as faces. A cube holds 6 faces and 8 vertices, which are known as corners. So children, let's count. Let's count the faces on this box. The flat surface are called faces, which is a shape like a square. So this is 1 turn, 2 turn, 3 turn, 4 turn, 5 turn, and this is 6. So we got our 6 faces of a cube. Now we shall count if we have 8 vertices, which is also known as corners. So let's check out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see this? We have 8 corners. So we can say this box is a cube with 6 faces and 8 corners. Let's see some more examples of a cube. Rubik's cube. It is a plastic cube with multicolored squares. Dice that is used to play Ludo and snake and ladders. Sofa also holds a cube shape. Some more examples are sugar cubes, blocks and ice cubes. These are different examples for a cube. Now we shall learn about a next new shape, that is a pyramid. Hearing the word pyramid, the only one you can remember would be one in Egypt. But that's not only the one. A pyramid has a flat square surface. It has 5 faces and 5 vertices. Kids, look at this. A pyramid has a flat square surface. A pyramid holds 5 faces, right? And 5 vertices. Let's count. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is also a face which is 5. So can you see? We've got a 5 faces. Spoken about 5 corners as well, that is vertices. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? So this shape is a pyramid shape. Let's see some more examples. You can see an umbrella which is in a pyramid shape, which are generally seen in a cafe. Paperweight, pyramid shaped perfume bottles, block of cheese, and few earring and pendant which are also in pyramid shape. Now, kids, please open your class workbook to page number 11. Here, can you see the dotted cubes? Yes. So, you need to trace the cubes and color it to complete the picture. Now, children, please open page number 18. Here, also you need to trace the dotted pyramid and then color it to complete the picture. Kids, let's revise number names 1 to 8 which you all have learned in a previous session. And then we will see 2 new number names, that is 9 and 10. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 6. S-I-X, 6. S-E-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now we shall learn number 9 and 10. Which number is this, kids? Number 9. N-I-N-E, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. 9 apples. 9 balloons. 9 balls. 9 bells. Let's repeat, kids. N-I-N-E, 9. Which number is this? Number 10. T-E-N, 10. Repeat after me. 10. T-E-N, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. T-E-N, 10. 10 oranges. 10 butterflies. 10 clocks. 10 bags. Let's repeat once again. T-E-N, 10. Now kids, you all have to write number names 9 and 10 on page number 65 in your classwork books. But I shall show you the formation on a paper. Let's trace number 9 first. N I N E, 9. Now in the same formation, let's write it on the next line. N I N E, 9. Now we shall trace number 10. Keep your pencils below the red line. T E N, 10. Again on the next line, pencils below the red line. T E N, 10. Let's repeat it once again. N I N E, 9. T E N, 10. So kids, please complete this page number 65, number name 9 and 10 in the same formation, and also join the dots to identify the image and color it. So kids, I hope you all have understood both the topics that we have covered today in numeracy. Do revise them and complete the given pages. I shall see you in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.